classmates, to this special number 5 class. It is so good to see you again, and like always, welcome adults. Great to have you with us. Thank you for making that extra special effort to bring your child to class in a different way that you would normally go and drop them off at school, right? Very different, but so good that we can still learn together. What will we need for our class today? Dear parents, please go and get the following items. Number 1, a cup of water. Half filled with water is perfect. Then our stationery, our A4 piece of paper, crayons in different colors, rulers, scissors, glue, pencil. If you have, bring what you have, and remember, you are always welcome to join our class even if you don't have that next to you. Have fun with. So today we are going to learn about number. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. How many leaves do I have on my wall at the moment? You are correct. Well done, classmates. We have 5 leaves on my wall. What happens if I take 1 away? Let me take this one. So we had 5. Now I am removing, taking away 1 leaf. How many leaves are left on my wall? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves left on my wall. But let's think a bit. That means if now that your piece of paper is here and your stationery, thank you parents for bringing that. Let's write firstly your name on the paper. As your paper is in front of you, write it on the left hand corner, your name. I'm going to do the same. I'll get my piece of paper and I'll do the same. Then we're going to write 5 minus 1 equals, then we'll work it out together. I'm going to do that, you do the same. My name, 5. Can you write a 5? Minus 1 equals. Let me stick this to the wall. So you should end up with your piece of paper, your name written at the top left. Remember, this is left, this is right. Your name written at the top of the piece of paper, then a 5 minus 1 equals, what did we say? 1, 2, 3, 4. And you write your number 4 there. Parents, how are they doing? Do they have this on their piece of paper with their own name? If not, give them a hand. Brothers, sisters, this is where you can also help. Help them. Now I want to see if you can remember how to write a number 4. 4, like that. We are doing sums now. Yeah, that's so much fun. We love numbers. But now you at home, you are telling me, but you don't know how to write a number 5. Don't fret, don't fear. I'm here to help you. Let's write a number 5 in the air. Number 5. Take a look at where you can start at the yellow dot. And let's do this together. Can you see? You start. Down and to the side. Now stand on one leg and do it. Can you do it? I'll try, join me. Our balance is improving. Can you see that? Our balance is improving. So let's swap. Let's do it on your other leg. You're going to do it 5 times. That was number 3. Whew. Great job. You've been working. I can see that. Now it is time to bring your stationery closer and have some fun with this next activity. Class, for this activity, you will need your puzzle pieces. Quickly go and get your puzzle pieces. You will need the number names of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Can you remember where your puzzle is? If you can't, don't worry, don't fret. We are going to make a plan for those of you that might have just joined us. Anything, but if you have, go onto YouTube, ask your mom and dad to go and show you where those lessons are so that you can also make your own puzzle. But I want the adults in the house to help write the number names from 1 to 5 down. I'm going to now, you will see I've got a 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write a 4 and a 5. 5 down. So adults, this is where, please help them write. Let me show you, if you don't have your puzzle pieces, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. You can write 1 down, but don't write it directly under each other. So this is, for instance, 4. Mix it up, because I want to see today if you can recognize the name of the numbers. 3, 2, and 5. You can simply write it down on a clean piece of paper. Then, for those of you with puzzle pieces, you can place them on the numbers. And 1. Classmates, go and get your favorite color crayon and bring it back. Dum dum dum, what will I use today? I feel like using my blue crayon. Now, let's see. Can you recognize this number? Let me think. I think this is number 1. What do you think? Write the number down next to its name. And the next one? Let's see. 4. We are doing well. How is it going at home, parents? Are they recognizing the name and writing the correct number down? If not, help them, correct them. 3. Yes. Next one. This one is a bit tricky. Let me think hard. Oh yes, I recognize this as number 2. If they've got 1 or more correct, give them a high five. Bravo, my class. Last one. I think it is 5. What do you think? Wow. How many did you get right? I can see you trying really hard. Well done.
Welcome! Do these exercises 3 times every day. When you wake up, before your homework, and before going to bed. You will make your hands and brain so smart. Are you ready? Let's go! Arm swings. Instructions. Swing both arms forward in big circles 10 times. Thereafter, swing both arms backwards in big circles 10 times. Star jumps. Instructions. Start with both arms at your sides and legs together. Jump with your legs apart and arms above your head. Return to start position. Repeat 20 times. Be an aeroplane. Instructions. Move your top body forward while lifting one leg, arms wide apart like you are flying. Try and make your aeroplane as flat as you can by lifting your leg high. Now do the same with the other leg. Repeat 5 times for each leg. Try it.
This activity, you will need the following items to play along. Let's have fun with our numbers game. I want you to go and get a piece of paper. Also, 2 of your favorite colors. I have chosen a blue and a red crayon for today. Then listen to the sound and feel. I want you to please go and get a bowl of beans or macaroni, beets, whatever you have in your house. If you don't have this, not a problem, then we will simply draw the amount with a color crayon or with a pencil. Remember, you need to only bring what you have to have fun in this class. Now again, I want you to write the numbers down, but in a different order. So it can be 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. The order doesn't matter as long as you have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's all we need. Now on the right side, place the amount of beans, but it should not match. It should be different amounts, but still from number 1 to 5. So you'll see I've placed 1 bean, 2 beans. Next to this one, let's place 4 beans. Next to this one, let's place 5 beans. Next to this one, what are we missing? We are missing 3. Can you see that we've got numbers 1 to 5? Not in order, but that is the fun of the whole game. Then we have the amount of beans on the right side, also not in order, but you can count them. Those of you with crayons or pencils, draw the dots. So for you, you will, let me use another color for this. For you, you will draw 1. Just like that. Take your second color that you have lying next to you and bring it, because I want you to match the numbers to the beans. How many beans do we have here? 1, 2, 3. So where's a number 3 on the left-hand side? If you found it, then draw a line. Next number. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the number 5? There we are. I can see you are trying. Don't give up. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is number 4? Here. 4. Doing well. Let's count. 1, 2 beans. Where is a number 2? Here. There you are. I found you. Let me draw a line so that they can match the amount of beans. Last, you see there's one number that has not got its partner. Let's count. 1. Can you identify, can you see the number 1 in this row of blue numbers? Yes! There's my 1. Let's draw and let's connect them. Adults, if you see that they can identify the number with the amount, give them a high five. Well done, my class. At the end of our class, big thank you, as always, to the adults in the room, to my special grade R's at home, and to all the sponsors that's making this possible. We are enjoying this and I can't wait to have you back next week for your next class. Goodbye, and like always, let's say goodbye with our special song. Stand up and let's dance with our song, touching your hand, the opposite knee, and counting on your fingers with me. Enjoy. See you next time.